Hi, good day, good afternoon from Kilstant Widens. Well, firstly, I'm already back from Dubai after attending our international project. So today I am in Penang, in this area called Setiapal, and the property at the back here, our reticulation Advance Termite System for this property. So yeah, let me just show you how the property looks inside, and then there's nothing much going on because it's still under construction. But yeah, let's go. This is the title board. It's a very beautiful property. So there's two properties here, on the left and on the right. And the property on the left is where we have done our termite system. So yeah, let's go inside and check it out. Okay, so we have done the system inside, and we will perhaps I can slide in some pictures in the video what we have done. So it's a very I would say very nice view at the back. So we have already done all the system, pre-laid all the system here. So let me just show you the view first. What do you think of the view? Well, it's a pretty nice view, I would say, of this property in Penang. Very nice. Loving this view. This property I would say cost around 4 million ringgit. So this is our pipes sticking out that we have to adjust the pipes. And then we have another couple more over here. This is also one of the injection point that is covering another zone, and there's another one in front there, three points. And then later the contractor will also extend this part, and we'll have to also install the system in this area. But anyway, so yeah, just wanted to show you the properties that we do in Penang as well. Okay, so for more information about our termite system, please head down to www.kilstant.my, or you can also contact us. We will put in the number at the end of the video. For more information to protect your property, your house, or your newly renovated property, like over here, renovation property like this. Always protect your property against termites, because it is extremely important. Not only a security system, just as how a house needs security system or camera, CCTV these days, termite system is also extremely important to protect your properties. Thank you.